Did you know that millions of people worldwide suffer from household electrical outages due to burnt-out light bulbs? A burnt-out light bulb may seem like a minor issue, but it can have significant consequences on your daily life and overall well-being. From disrupted work schedules to safety hazards, the impact of a non-functional light bulb can be substantial. So, what's the best way to address this common problem? The answer lies in learning how to replace a light bulb quickly and efficiently. With the right knowledge and tools, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. Imagine being able to tackle this task with confidence and ease, no matter where you are in the world. From DIY enthusiasts to seasoned professionals, this skill is essential for anyone looking to improve their home maintenance skills. So, let's dive into the world of quick DIY repairs and explore the fascinating world of light bulb replacement. But before we begin, it's essential to understand the mechanics behind a light bulb's functionality. A light bulb works by converting electrical energy into light energy through a process called incandescence. When a light bulb is turned on, the electrical current flows through the filament, causing it to heat up and glow. However, this process can be disrupted by various factors, such as power outages or physical damage. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some light bulbs can last up to 25,000 hours or more? That's equivalent to a continuous light source shining for over 7 years straight. And then something unexpected happened: the development of LED bulbs, which have revolutionized the lighting industry. LED bulbs use a fraction of the energy required by traditional incandescent bulbs, while providing the same level of brightness. This phenomenon occurs when the electrical current flows through the LED chip, causing it to emit light. But what happens when an LED bulb burns out? The process is similar to that of a traditional light bulb, with the LED chip failing to produce light due to physical damage or wear and tear. And then something unexpected happened: the discovery of smart bulbs, which can be controlled remotely using smartphone apps. Smart bulbs use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth technology to connect to your smartphone, allowing you to adjust brightness, color, and even schedule lighting routines. This technology has opened up new possibilities for home automation and energy efficiency. But what's the impact of these advancements on our daily lives? For one, smart bulbs can help reduce energy consumption by adjusting lighting levels based on occupancy and time of day. Additionally, smart bulbs can provide a safer and more convenient way to control lighting, reducing the risk of electrical accidents. And let's not forget the environmental benefits of using energy-efficient LED bulbs. By reducing energy consumption, we can minimize our carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. So, what's the key takeaway from this fascinating world of light bulb replacement and smart home technology? The ability to tackle simple DIY repairs and stay up to date with the latest advancements in home automation can have a significant impact on our daily lives. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.